Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Mr. Rancilio Espresso machine. Now for this machine we just did a tune-up. We also replaced the power switches, the ones that you see right here. Some of them were cracked, some of them were just definitely on the point of getting needed to be replaced. So we replaced them with the newer switches from the Rancilio Silvia. We had to retrofit some of them because they are a little different size, but we managed to put them on there. They're definitely not gonna come out, and they're working perfectly fine as well. So starting one shot of espresso, we're gonna test out the machine. We also replaced the the gasket that you see right here, as well as the screen, which is really clogged. It definitely needs a good tune-up. And yeah, so we're gonna test it out. I'm not gonna be using the original filter basket that the machine came in. This one is a self-pressurized filter basket. This one has a little hole in here instead of being just a complete screen. And yeah, I'm just gonna use one of our own because the way we grind our coffee will just definitely clog up this system. And as you can see, we're using one of our baskets and we're having a really excellent flow coming out of the machine. Excellent color as well, and yeah, it's just pretty good. Two glasses of water, which is perfect. Alright, and let me just remove the portafilter. Looks great. Excellent flow of water coming out of the group head, working perfectly fine. And now for the steamer, we're gonna just let the machines heat up a little bit. It needs to build up some pressure. This is just a single boiler machine at the end, so this definitely needs to build some pressure up inside in order to get some steam. As I say, switches are a little bit different. They have an LED light in here instead of being completely full of a complete LED light through the whole bottom, but we could not find these ones, unfortunately. Espresso just still has crema, which is great. That means it was properly done. We should have some pressure by now. Probably needs a little bit more. Right, I hit click, so that's practically means there's gotta be pressure in here. And as you can see, steamer coming out perfectly fine. And there you have it. Mr. Rancilio working once again. So thank you for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day. I'm gonna just cool it down a little bit because like I say, it's a single boiler. We don't want it to overheat. And yeah, there you have it. Mr. Rancilio working once again. So thank you for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day. And thanks for watching.